aspects of the paradigm shift. Knowledge of the world of the occult, meaning the hidden, specifically hidden science and hidden spirituality. Knowing that the truth and morality are objective. They are not subjective, they are objective and independent of our perceptions. And our job is to learn the methodology by which we can discover truth objectively. It is knowing the characteristics of the higher self. It is knowing that the physical and spiritual aspects of our reality do not supersede each other, but yet they are actually one. It is about release from ego identification and ego attachment. It is the exercise of true discernment and judgment. It is becoming mentally free of all false religions or simply all false belief systems. It is understanding that knowledge is never negative, no matter how seemingly scary it may sound. Knowing it is worth it. It is about knowledge that the current human condition is, in fact, a condition of slavery and the causal factors that have led to the current human condition. It is understanding and living in harmony with natural law, the moral and spiritual laws of creation that actually govern the consequences of our behavior. It is knowing and living what I call both of the pillars of enlightenment, the non-aggression principle and the self-defense principle, or the male and female pillars of enlightenment. It is knowing that authority, the concept of authority, the belief in authority itself is morally illegitimate, and that all forms of government are actually human slavery. It is the recognition of free will and total personal responsibility, which is required for a state of true freedom. It is knowing that so-called negative emotions serve a critical purpose. It is knowing that enlightenment is not about pursuing bliss while surrounded by suffering in our world. It is knowing what true forgiveness really means. It is knowing the difference between what cannot be changed and what should be changed. It is caring enough to take real-world action to create real-world change. It is knowing that enlightenment includes influencing others to improve themselves, not just about advancing yourself and stopping there. And it is ultimately knowing that enlightenment does not equate to perfection, no such thing in the 3D world.